Hi there and welcome to Japanemoji. I want to the end of this course, if you stay until the end, to understand some basic Japanese used in everyday situations. Today we will learn
I,
私、
warm,
暖かい、
friend,
友達、
dog,
犬、
cat,
猫、
Congratulations! Today you have learned 5 words in Japanese. Now, let's take a practice. There will be some images on the screen, and you have to guess what does it mean. Good luck! In Japanese, if you want to ask, what is this, you have to say,
何ですか？何ですか？友達。何ですか？犬。何ですか？私。何ですか？猫。何ですか？暖かい。
Now, it's time for grammar. I don't want to explain you anything. I will let you guess how to use grammar points for making Japanese sentences. Let's start with a few examples, and then you have to solve some exercises. If you want to say grammar in Japanese, you have to say,
文法。何ですか？猫です。何ですか？友達です。
Now it is your turn. Can you solve this exercise?
何ですか？
If you were right, you will find out in the next lesson. Thanks for watching and goodbye.